Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today let us speak about what to read for questions on FSSAI organization. So guys, as you can see, the number of questions that were asked with respect to FSSAI organization in 2018 was just 10, but now the questions have been increased from 10 to 25. So before the questions were containing 2 marks, so it was just for 20 marks, but now it is for 100 marks. So you can see the major difference that you can see here. So now let us talk about important topics with respect to FSSAI organization that might be asked in the examination. So here the first topic may be composition of food safety organization. So if you know about the composition of food safety organization, then you will be knowing the overall working of the organization. So which also tells about age limit of board members, the age limit, the number of times a person can be appointed, the ex officio chairmen, all these things will be known. And the third important topic is the difference between different abbreviations regarding the department. For example, DART, Foscoris, and FLRS. So these are some of the examples. So let us see why these are important. Okay. See here, you can see, yeah, this is the 2019 prelims paper. So FOSTAC aims to. So if you don't know what is the full form of FOSTAC, then you can't attend these questions. For example, the full form of FOSTAC stands for Food Safety Training and Certification. So if you know this, then you can eliminate first and the fourth option, because it does not contain any term with respect to training or certification. But the second and third option contains both of them, but you can easily eliminate the second one because it mentions train street food vendors online. So the street food vendors will not be having so much of facility, and also FSSI does not provide any online trainings. But now new initiatives have been taken for online training also, but at that time there was no any online training. So you could have easily mentioned the third option as the correct choice. So this is why the importance of abbreviation can be seen here. Okay, next. So the next important topic is different color books: orange, yellow, brown. So this is also a very important topic. This is because I will show you through the old year previous paper. See, name the book that is based on the inculcating wholesome food habits at a younger age. See, if you don't know anything about these books, then you can't answer this question. Not only this question, there were two questions with respect to color coding for the books. So this question speaks about the color code for the food safety display board on the restaurant. So if you don't know what this green book, purple book is, then you can't answer this question. So you need to be thorough with the different color books and also with these abbreviations. So next, the different topic is functions of CEO, because CEO is the chief executive officer and he is the head of one of the branches of FSSAI, that is the administrative branch. So he looks into the day-to-day working of the FSSAI. So we need to know the functions of CEO. Next, difference between the state and central food safety officers. So this is also one of the important topic, because there is separate wing, that is a state and the central. So there is a difference between both of them, and the powers have also been shared between both of them. So different awareness campaigns of FSSAI. This is with respect to current affairs. So FSSAI will be taking many different initiatives for creating awareness. So these things should be known. And food fortification. This is one of the hottest topic which is present now, because recently the Modi government has also announced that free food fortified rice will be distributed to poor by 2024. So you need to know about different food fortification methods, and which are the different minerals that will be fortified with rice, edible oil, milk, etc. So if you see those things, then you will get a clarification on it. So next, the next topic is DART and BOG. So DART is nothing but detecting adulteration with rapid testing. So these kind of full form should also be known, and what is the purpose for this initiative should also be known. Next, how is training is provided to food business operators. So this is also a very important, because there is a rule that for every institution there should be at least one trained member from the FSSAI for every 25 members. So this could be a potential question also. So for every 25 members in the organization, there should be one person who has been trained by FSSAI. So you need to know all these things. Next, important organization with respect to food like APIDA, MPIDA. This is agriculture. This is with respect to marine. This is with respect to FAO, that is Food and Agriculture Organization, WHO, and other food related departments and international organizations. And you should also know their working, their act, that is legislation, their chairman and headquarters. This is because these kind of questions are commonly asked, because in 2019 the chairman of FSSAI was asked, but since now the questions are more, the probability of asking about all these organizations are also important. And next, Codex Alimentarius Commission is also very important, because this is one of the hottest topic. And World Trade Organization is very important, because there is problem of subsidies of agriculture with respect to blue box, amber box, which is in use from consistently from the past 1 year. So please note down all these things, because it may be a potential question in the exam. And Codex in India, which is a continuation of this topic. And accreditation in India, how the labs get accreditation, and different food labs in India, their office and their headquarters, their working also, and how does auditing take place, because auditing is very important. The funds which has been released for FSSAI, how the funds have been utilized, how much of money has been sent for creating awareness programs, all these things are very important. So guys, I am not saying that these are the only topics that will come to FSSAI exam, but these are essential topics. So if you study all these essential topics, at least you will be having a firm grip on the type of questions that FSSAI asked. So please study all these topics thoroughly, and if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. And please like and subscribe and share with your friends, so that your friends will also get these information, and they can also excel in the exam. So thank you guys, I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.